Hello everyone, Michael from Owner's Pride Auto Spa here in Orlando, Florida. If you've spoken to us before, we've most likely asked you if you have existing tint on your vehicle. If you just purchased your vehicle from a dealership, that's a very difficult question to answer. Reason why I say that is because many cars today coming from the factory have what's called privacy tint, which is dyed or shaded glass that is installed in the vehicle from the factory. The difference between privacy glass is you are not getting any of the heat reducing capabilities that comes from ceramic window tint. What makes this even trickier is that coming from the dealership, most of the time they're only tinting the front two windows, but selling you tint at a high or increased price, claiming that they have tinted the entire vehicle, which is not the case. So come with me and I'll show you exactly what I mean on this vehicle behind me. If you look at this window here, this is just dyed or shaded glass, because looking here, there's no edge whatsoever on the glass. This is privacy glass and this comes stock from the factory. So again, if you are seeing this edge along the front glass, it's easy to tell here with the front glass, but if you're seeing this edge, then you know that you have some tint that would need to be removed before we installed any tint on the glass. But if you notice that the front doors are clear and the rear doors are stained, then you know that this is just privacy glass and the windows are not tinted, which means with the privacy glass, including the pockets and the rear, then you know that you do not have any tint that needs to be removed and it's just privacy glass, so that you're not getting any of the benefits of the heat reduction from our ceramic tint. Just wanted to share that bit of information with you all so that you know when you're going to the dealership and you're purchasing a vehicle, you can save yourself some money by not buying their exuberant tint package. But then when you contact us here at Owner's Pride Auto Spa, you know that you're getting quality service, knowledgeable technicians, and we're going to help save you time, money, and make sure that your car is actually kept cool, and we provide you with the best grade and quality of film that you can get. So thank you guys all again for watching this video here at Owner's Pride Auto Spa Orlando, where we raise your standards.